Hey guys, it is Katie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, press the red button. But in today's video, I'm gonna be doing another weekly vlog. So I'm gonna just vlog today and the next day and the day after that. Yeah, it's currently Friday, so I'm gonna vlog obviously Saturday and Sunday because I just said that, but I thought I would start now. I'm going on a walk with my sister in about 30 minutes, but I don't know if I should have breakfast first or not. I'm like contemplating whether or not I should have breakfast because I'm kind of hungry, but I want to like enjoy my breakfast and like sit down because I'm like trying this new thing that I'm so excited to try. Yeah, maybe I won't have breakfast, I don't know. But anyway, hey guys, so I'm on my walk right now with my sister. We've been walking for ages. We're like at the end of the walk. I'm like puffed because we just walked up a hill, but I thought I'd just update you and tell you that we are walking. Have you guys missed me? Oh my god, I haven't been on forever. Yeah, we really missed you. No, we have. Hey guys, so I'm home from my walk right now. This is a horrible angle. What am I doing? I'm gonna make myself some oats, but I'm really excited because I bought something really cool at the supermarket yesterday to put on my oats, and I'm like, I don't know, I'm just really excited, so I'm going to show you that. But I'm going to make my oats like normal, and then I'll show you what I bought once I make them. So let's do that. Okay guys, so I've cooked my oats up. I put my strawberries on. It doesn't really look that appetizing because I didn't really try and make it look really cute. But usually I like put heaps and heaps of honey on it. But I actually just bought this no added sugar salted caramel sauce. So I'm going to try and put this on instead. I'm actually so excited. Oh my god. Okay, I just put on a lot. Oh my god. Guys. That caramel sauce is so yum. Alright guys, good morning everyone. I'm naked in the background. No. Wait. I'm so sorry if you just saw something that you didn't want to see. I had the worst sleep last night because it was actually like really warm and I'm just like not used to that. And yeah, I don't know. I sound like really gross because I just woke up, but I'm gonna get my workout done today because I want to get it done like pretty early because I have like lots of stuff that I need to do today. I need to film and I'm meeting my friend at the park for a picnic. So yeah, I didn't film like anything yesterday because it was so hot. So I was just like laying by the pool and just chilling, and then we had a really yummy dinner. And I just failed at vlogging yesterday, so I'm so sorry. I literally, the last clip I filmed was breakfast. So you know I was shit yesterday, but I'm going to film everything today. I'm not going to film my workout today though, because next week I'm filming a week of workouts, and this workout that I'm doing today will be in that video. So I'm not going to film that for you guys, but I'll film my day and stuff. So I'm sorry. Alright guys, I just finished my workout. I'm like dead. I'm gonna now have a shower and get changed and have my breakfast. And then I need to do my makeup and get ready because I'm filming a YouTube video today, which I need to like hurry up and film because it's tomorrow's YouTube video. So it will have already gone up before this video. It was my assumptions video, so if you haven't seen that, go watch. Yeah, I need to hurry up because I need to film and edit that today and get it up for tomorrow. So a lot to do. For breakfast with honey and caramel sauce. I had breakfast, showered obviously, and I'm currently in the process of I'm not in the process. I'm about to do my makeup. So I will update you guys once my makeup's done. And then I need to start filming. I've currently got a banger of a tune on over there. Okay, I just finished my makeup. I'm now gonna get changed because I'm obviously wearing my baggy t-shirt, and then I'm gonna start filming. I actually did my makeup in like 20 minutes, not even, so I have heaps of time to spare. I'm filming an assumption, so I'm so nervous because I feel like people are gonna be a little bit brutal. But anyway, yeah, let's do that. Guys, I just finished filming my little, this is what I set my camera up on, it's all you can see me, a Friends DVD set. a mirror cabinet, which you can see me in, so hello, and obviously my little camera there. That is how professional we are over here. But yeah, I just filmed the assumptions video. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was. I thought I was gonna really get my ego deflated, but you know, my ego is still average, you know, nothing special. But I'm gonna try and edit that video now because I have plans later tonight. All right, guys, it is currently 4:37. I've just been doing homework and editing my video all day, but I'm now gonna get ready to go on a picnic with Jade. I'm gonna get changed, obviously, and I'm gonna fix my hair and I'm gonna fix my makeup because it's looking kind of oily, which my makeup really never gets oily, maybe because it's like hot outside and I'm wearing a full face. But yeah, I had to wear a full face because I was filming. Let's like fix everything. I'm gonna get changed because I'm currently in a bra and trackies, and I don't think that's appropriate for picnicking. Actually, I mean, I would totally wear that picnicking. Hey guys, so I got changed. I'll show you what I'm wearing. I'm just wearing these flowy white pants and this black crop top. It like ties. I need to tie this up. Both of these outfits are really old. The bottoms are from Glassons and the top is an old Princess Polly top. I literally just threw it on because it was the only top that I could wear that I didn't need to wear a bra in, and I really could not be bothered wearing a bra, so that's what I'm wearing. I also threw my hair into some pigtails. I've seen like so many people wearing pigtails recently, and I think it's really cute, just not on me. But I can't really changing my hair, so I'm gonna leave it in cute little pigtails. So don't really know if I like them yet, but anyway, I'm gonna go get the food ready for the picnic. Yeah, this is like my favorite part of doing it because I'm making a platter and I haven't made a platter in so freaking long. I just miss platters. Okay guys, so I'm in my kitchen right now. I have my picnic basket here. Yay! I'm really excited. It's got nothing in it yet because I haven't filled it. Let's go and get the stuff. So Jade is bringing some food too, so I'm not bringing everything, so if it looks a little bare, just wait, bear with me. Actually went out and purchased another platter board because the one we have is circle, and I feel like I just needed a rectangle one, and this one's super cute because it's a little bit smaller. I wonder if this fits in here. Kind of fits. What else did I get? I also got some chocolate to bring, of course. Chocolate's my favorite. I got Oreo and caramel. I feel like these are the best flavors. Actually, Oreo and caramel are the best flavors, but I don't have caramel with me. I just have these two. So I'm gonna bring those, and then some biscuits, and then I think Jade is bringing some other stuff as well. So it's gonna be so cute. I'm really hungry as well, so I'm excited. But yeah, this is my little picnic blanket, basket. What is this called? Picnic box. Picnic basket, yeah. Alrighty guys, I just packed my picnic basket and I'm gonna leave in like 10 minutes. I'm really excited to see Jade. I haven't seen Jade all of quarantine. Oh my god, I haven't. So like a really long time. Oh wait, have I? No, I don't think I have, because yeah, obviously the only way you can meet up with your friends is if you go on a walk with them or something. And I used to love walking always near her house, but I'm like petrified of magpies now. So I've stopped walking, which is really bad because I love walking, but I've literally stopped it because of magpies. They scare me so much. But anyway, I'm waiting. Do I look like a 5-year-old? I can't tell if I like these pigtails or not. But oh well. Okay, I'm in my dad's car.
I'm in my mum's car.
We're leaving right now. There's the picnic basket. Come on. Gotta go.
Broom, broom.
We are at the picnic right now. That's Jade. And we're gonna make our platter look really, really cute somehow. I'm like hoping we can do that. I'm gonna watch the sunset also here, so it better provide. So, well, this is a before.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we did such a good job. Okay, that's our platter. We're gonna take some Insta pics of, because
Obviously.
what the fuck else do I do? Oh, someone got pizza. Who is that? Do we know them?
I don't know.
That's really awkward. Oh no, that's not who I thought it was. Thanks. Anyway, hello everyone. We've been attacked by a magpie. We have eaten all of our food, and now we are just chilling. Now we're doing some TikToks, and we're really not. I'm a savage.
Oh.
Ow, my face is so sore. Oh my god, this magpie is eyeing us up.
Oh no.
Maybe like awkward. Look at it. Look at it.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, I'm like in commit. No, what is this bitch showing? Commit.
Have you seen that TikTok? It's like, wow. And it's like, it's not that. It's like this. Wait. Alright, this is like you.
Oh no! I filmed it with my dog. Should we film it? Ready, guys? I'm gonna film the TikTok. And it's like, ready? 1, 2, 3.
No, it's not even on it.
I'm embarrassing myself. Okay, guys, we have just been practicing what our stargazing would look like, but hope for a better result. So, this is what I look like stargazing.
Here we have.
I'm trying to make my. Oh, so many bugs. I'm trying to make. I just inhaled them. Hey, just say it feels like a party every day. Hey, hey. That makes me so sad.
Cameron Boy?
Yeah, we just thought of the same thing at the same time. Okay, so now we're gonna do Addison Rae. Don't go wasting your
This is nice.
So, people are definitely staring at us. Look at my arm. I look jacked.
Well, it's a big arm. You can tell I live, Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. There's so many birds, guys. I faced my fear.
Time for Jay to take some Insta pics.
Yes, and I've also realised I'm never going stargazing. Never asked me to do that.
You can go stargazing with me though, because I think you look pretty. He's not bad.
Okay, please. Taking photos.
Yep. How does this look like this?
Jawbone on her.
Stop it. Okay, now. Where's your attention?
Okay, I just kept. Oh, that one for sure.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh my god, sorry.
Okay, I love your hair.
Thanks. This is vibes. I love the vibes here, guys.
I think we're gonna stay here forever.
I think we're gonna cherish this moment forever.
We're leaving now. I love you. Come
I miss you,
love
Marie.
you too. Bye.
Bye. All right, guys, I am home. I need to clean up the kitchen because I left it kind of a mess. But I'm gonna get changed. Literally, look what I'm wearing right now. Ended up chucking on this jumper because it was actually still really warm, but I was getting bitten alive by mosquitoes. I have like a lot of bites on my back and it really is painful. So that's annoying. But other than that, I had the most amazing, oh my god. I'm feeling my back right now and I have like another bite. I think I have like 4 on my back. But I had the most amazing time with Jade. It was so fun. It was such like summer vibes. It was legit the biggest vibe ski ever. So yeah, I'm gonna go get changed because actually I low-key with this outfit. It's kind of cute. But I want to get my makeup off so bad. So let's do that. I just got changed into my pajamas and I like checked my body for mosquito bites. I literally got bitten 11 times. 11 times. I have like 5 on my back. And I'm not even joking, one of them is this big. I don't know when I'll learn. I need to start bringing bug spray everywhere. I'm like heavily allergic to mosquitoes. Like when I was younger, I used to get allergic reactions and like swell up really bad. And I'm probably still the same, but I really need to fix that because I'm in like so much pain right now. I'm gonna go take an antihistamine. I don't know if that helps with bug bites. I'm honestly willing to take anything at this point because it's really sore. And I have a few on my ass, which is random because my ass was not out. Was it? No, it was not out today. So yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now. I really want to take off my makeup. Hey guys, good morning. It's currently like 8 o'clock and I've been up since like 7, which is actually like 6 o'clock because it's daylight savings started today, so we lost an hour, which is, I'm like happy because that means it's like summer, but like sad that we lost an hour. I was gonna sleep in longer, but I was like having like a messed up dream. It wasn't like a nightmare or anything, but like I should not have been dreaming about this. Oh my god, you guys are gonna think of something like super weird, but like I get this dream a lot and I just like should not be dreaming about this person. Like it's actually bad. It's like actually bad. Like this person I can't dream about. Kind of hot though, but like so bad. I woke up at like 1 a.m. to go to the toilet and I was like, oh my god, I need to change this dream. Like I cannot keep dreaming about this. So I changed the guy in my dream to Jacob Elordi And like I was totally fine after that. Like I loved the dream, but like I was like, oh my god, like control yourself, Katie. Like you can't dream about that. But anyway, I'm like really hungry and I've just been editing my video that's going up today, my assumptions video. Go watch that. Hi guys, I don't know if you can hear me because the pool pump is like really loud, but I just did a skipping workout and I'm literally dead, like so dead. I didn't film it because it's gonna be in next week's video, so you'll see it then. I also look really disgusting right now. Let's not talk about that. I'm so dead. Low-key just want to jump in the pool, but I don't think it's that hot. Hey guys, I'm currently editing this week's vlog and I forgot to end it because this vlog is like all over the place. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe right down below, pressing the red button. I'm a good singer. What am I doing? I'm like hitting on you guys, like control myself. Anyway, if you like this video, subscribe, thumbs it up, and yeah, bye guys. Mwah, love you. Oh my god, yeah. Call me.